So let me show you how to enable or disable the extra dim screen brightness on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go into settings, and under settings you want to scroll down until you get to accessibility. Under accessibility you want to tap on accessibility once again, and then under the display option you should see extra dim. So you can either tap on that option to open it, or you can enable or disable that option from here. So use this toggle to enable extra dim, or tap on the toggle to disable it like that. Now with this option enabled, this will dim the screen beyond your phone's minimum brightness. If a brighter screen affects your eyesight, you can enable this option, and it's a good one for you to protect your eyes. Now when you tap on that option, you can once again enable it from here, and once it's enabled, you can enable, or you can use this slider to adjust the intensity of the brightness. So you can make it even dimmer, or you can make it even brighter, just like that. And you can keep it on after the device restarts, or you can also enable or disable the accessibility shortcut button for extra dim brightness. And when you tap on that, it's going to enable or disable that option, just like that. And you can really customize it how you want, but that's basically how to enable or disable extra dim brightness on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.